Hi YouTube, and welcome to the first episode of Edward and Sarah's Reptiles new YouTube page. Today we are going to be covering the way we keep our budgies in our finch colony. There's no set way to do this, but I'll go over a little bit of the bases. We got some containers in here temporary with Kentucky bluegrass. We're eventually going to put plastic around the outside edge and put like a can of fishing worms in there, and then put all this sod in there so they can have grass that they can build nests and stuff out of. We have plenty of natural perching area for them, sandpaper coated dowel rod for their nails or beaks, treats hanging around different places, different places to land, different types of food, several water sources and bathing sources. And inside we have a nest with eggs in there. There's 7 eggs in there right now. Should someone could move that. No, there's several eggs in there. And they absolutely love it. Let's see. I can move. Let y'all see. Hold on 1 second. I'm sorry. I'm gonna move them around a little bit. You can see the eggs. They haven't hatched yet. Look how they attack the stick. I don't recommend messing with your finches when they're sitting. You see they're defensive about their nest. And
2 females, well, 2 males and a female's in there.
Yes, there's 2 males and a female in there. That over there is a male. And here is a female budgie.
Or male.
And there's a male budgie. And there's a male over there. A society finch. What we got. We're going to cover several things on this channel, but we have to earn privileges on this new channel to be able to film longer videos for you guys. So we're going to start off with several series of different things on animals. Hopefully y'all have a fun, family oriented learning experience. This channel's for the whole family, right, Mikey?
What's the name of the channel?
Edward and Sarah's Reptiles. We are from Edward Tyndall YouTube. Y'all can check that channel. It's also supposed to be a family-oriented video, but there's live feedings and stuff like that in that channel. So this one's not going to be based around so much of that. Maybe tarantula live feedings, but not so much on snakes and crocodiles and stuff like that. But I hope y'all enjoyed this, and we will be doing an update on these finches and their babies. Here is a homemade bottle bird nest that I made for these finches, and I guess they're trying to check it out.
He slept in it last night.
He slept in it last night?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's kind of segregated away from the other ones because he's an outsider that's been introduced. I just haven't been able to keep up with you guys. But that grass is awesome, ain't it? Oh yeah, and I keep the water in there because they bathe in there, and then it throws the water on the grass, watering the grass. And I just think a lot of people don't do this, but finches are grassland birds, so it makes sense to me to put a more natural environment. You can see the size of the cage. It's an awesome cage. And we got some jalapeno peppers on top. Alright. Stay tuned, people. Peace, love, and happiness to all. And to all, peace and love. Edward Tyndall and family out.